What's eye-poppin', worth chompin', and always show-stoppin'? Pop Chef! The new fun-tastic way to make delicious edible creations your family will love to eat. Grab your camera to capture this gift-making fun for everyone. Watch. Just choose any shape, press into your favorite food, then pop perfect hearts, pop super circles, or pop sweet stars into a mouth-watering masterpiece. Transform simple sandwiches into extraordinary ones for lunch. Turn regular fruit into a healthy bouquet display. Or create the coolest vegetable party tray that's
Snacktastic!
no knife, no cookie cutters, and no mess. The secret is Pop Chef's 3-in-1 air popping action that instantly shapes, pops, and creates all your favorite foods. Pop singles or more, thick or thin, so the kids will eat healthy again. And check this out. Use Pop Chef to decorate cupcakes for birthdays, cookies for special occasions, or make holiday treats that can't be beat. Store-bought fruit arrangements can cost over $50, but the same made with Pop Chef is just a fraction of the price. You'll receive the Pop Chef with butterfly, flower, sun, heart, circle, and star cutters, plus 25 decorating skewers.